In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix problem that VN takes a lot of space on your PC. So it works not only for Macs as I do now, it also works for Windows laptops or PCs. So this tutorial will be pretty helpful for both platforms because a lot of people has this problem and they do not know how to solve it. So all we need, by the way, is just to change one interesting settings in the VN video editor app on your laptop. So just open the VN, and as you can see, I have only 3 projects which are not that big, but if we'll go to settings right up in this start page and then just click on clean up storage, we can see that VN used space is about 2.4 gigabytes, which is pretty high. And so how to fix it? It will not that easy as if we'll try to delete some files or something like this. But I found this solution. So all we need is just to go to clean up storage like this, and then just click on cleanable project materials and find the button change right up here. So we will open the preferences on these of these settings, and then all we need is just to turn off the main settings, copy the used material to the end to turn it off, because when you add some materials on your VN app, it will be doubled, it will be copied to the VN file system, so it will take much more time. It will turn this function on. So I just suggest you to turn it off. And as you can see in the description, we can see that if enabled, deleting the source materials from your device will not remove the material from the end project. It may take up more storage space. And this is a line. This is all about this huge the end used space. So this is the only one way how we can fix this problem. So after that, I suggest you just to re-upload your the whole VN on your PC, and then this problem will be solved. Just make sure that you turned off these setting. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.